Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we are going to attempt to do a skiff upgrade on this Tactile turn Chupacabra. I don't think I've done this one yet, and I think I've got some bearings in the sample kit that'll fit it. If not, we'll test them out and see what we've got in there. But before we get started, I want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank you to anyone who comes in and checks out my EDC content. And if you're so inclined, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. It really helps me out. So I'm going to start. I've got a T8 in here. And I'm going to get my Weehaw. They're very tight. I can safely say this has not been taken apart before. Get our clip out. Body screw. Our pivot, all of which are very Loctited. I have not broken down a Chupacabra before. Look at that Loctite. Yuck. But we will see what we have here. First, gotta get that scale loosened up. There we go. All right then. So we appear to have our aluminum scale, a little oil, our liner, a lot of Loctite there. So what I'm going to do is get one of my stickies. I'm going to get a cloth. I'm going to clean off some of this Loctite. It won't take but a second. Let's see here. See it right around there, and you can see it in this pivot. All right, now let's get our liner off. A little wedgie bar. It's going to need a little pop up here. There's some crap around that pivot. Do this. All right. There's our snake slot, which we can pull back. And release out. Leave that stop pin in there. No need to take it out. Now what we want to do is get our blade. Which is very tight on the pivot. Oddly enough. There we go, that's bizarre. Very tight tolerance. Alright, so now we've got our Funker nickel bearings out. Let's switch out our bits. Let's get ready to see what we got here. Alright, so that's 3/16. 3/16 by 1/16. Ooh, which one was this stop pin in? I did not see. It's right here. Yeah, alright. So, now we want to see if we've got 3/16 by 1/16. Should have them in there. Let's see. 3/16 by 1/16. That is 3/16 by 1/16. All right. So those are the ones we are going to use. But first, let's get these out of here. These have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going from 9 to 12 balls again, which is going to give us better contact surface between the blade and the frame, which is a win. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, put a little drop KPL there, I'll drop there, I'll drop there. See if we can get this blade back on. Very tight tolerance, which is good. Put a little KP Schmel right there. Go back to our bearing box. Condition this guy up just a little bit. Rub it through my fingers. There we go. Now let's get this back in. Alright, now all we've got to do, put this stop pin right here. Get a liner to snap back down. Like that. Clean out our scale. Once we get in there, let's take pivot, get it started. Get our back screw started. And finally, our clip that goes in only one way. Makes it kind of easy to set up. And it's got the mushroom bits on the clip. Dead nut centered. Skiffed up. Guys, I would say that's a success. So that was just taking our Chupacabra, taking some 3/16 by 1/16 skiff bearings, and replacing our little 9-ball stamp bearings that came in our Chupacabra with the skiff 12-ball bearings. This gives us better stability, I think, gives us better lateral play, and I think just overall gives it better action. But guys, that is the Tactile Turn Chupacabra, and that is skiff blade upgrade that we did. Thanks to Skiff for sending me out some bearings to upgrade some knives with to show you guys. Hopefully that disassembly helps. You just got to watch that spring on the back of this Snex lock there so you don't jettison it out. But besides that, guys, I'm glad you are here. The cheat sheets are back in stock at Skiff Blades. These are great for finding out what type of bearings you're looking for if you don't know, if it's not in the compatibility chart. But guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. All I ask is if you would, please hit the like button. But most importantly, look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.